Hi everyone. So today we will learn how to add icon to button element in HTML and CSS. By the end of the video, you will have this sort of output. You can see I got 3 buttons here with an icon. Behind the scenes, I'm using FontAwesome library for those icons. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's create an index file here, index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet. Also, we need a link for the FontAwesome library. So let's go to browser. As you can see, currently I'm on cdngs.com. Simply type FontAwesome here. Click. We need this all.min.css. Click here to copy the link tag. Now go to code editor. Paste it here. Now create a div element here. We need 3 buttons. So let's create them. First is login. Just copy and paste it. This will be send and this will be download. Now we need icons. So let's go to FontAwesome web page. Click on icons. Then click here, free and open source. Type here user. Click on this. Click here to copy. Now go to code editor. Paste it here. In a similar way, we need 2 more icons. Type here send. Click on this, copy and paste it. Now type download. Click to copy. Now paste it here. Save it. Now let's create a style sheet here. Style.css. Here select div element. Display will be flex. Justify content will be center. Gap will be 20 pixels. Select button element. Give it a width of 150 pixels. Border will be none. Border radius will be around 5 pixels. Font size will be 16 pixels. Font weight will be bold. Cursor will be pointer. Padding will be 10 pixel and 20 pixel. Color will be white. Select the eye element. Give it a margin right 5 pixels. Now each button will have a different color. For that we need to add a class. So here add a class btn1. Just copy and paste it. It will be btn2. It will be btn3. Now let's select these classes one by one. So btn1 will have a background color of this. Just copy and paste it. Make it btn2. It will be btn3. btn2 will have this color and btn3 will have this color. Save it. Let's open this file in the browser to see the output. And that's the output. So you can see we got 3 buttons with an icon. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.